Dumpster cats. Empty. Never mind. Dumpster cats. Pulling out the scrap.
Huh?
Pulling out the scrap.
Oh, shit. A bunch of them.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Oh, careful. Ooh, this one's up higher. My dumpster shoes. That one's up too high for me. He'll have to get in there and hand it out. Yeah. I know, there's...
We can stack them up right in the back, just, I think like this, where I have the other one.
Alright. Goodie bags.
Oh.
They're church or they're school bags for lunches. That's what the schools give out for.
So we don't want them.
No, because sorry to say, with all that spoiled milk and that in there.
That's sad.
That is sad that that somebody got all of those and threw them away. Their kid probably said, "Oh, I'm not gonna eat that." No, is there tea down there?
It's more of them.
That's just gross.
That's just a waste. There's a whole bag of them right there.
Christmas Eve eggnog. I think you and I are the only one that drinks it, so.
Huh?
You and I are the only ones that drink it.
Lulu drinks eggnog.
Oh, does Lulu drink
Yep,
eggnog?
and there's 3 of them.
Alright.
The
Nope,
other
that one's open. Or it's Yeah. That is sad that they did that to all those school lunches and that. That's just wrong. Alright guys, see you at the next.
Took the time to go to the school.
Picked them all up.
School lunches and then just throw 4 whole complete bags of them away.
Because the kids probably didn't like them. Dumpster cats, checking out all these. There's some bread.
Bread?
Yeah, it's Italia bread. Yeah, it's... Sorry. Sweet. Those are gluten-free, so I may actually be able to eat those without no issues. Taking the onions, putting them in my arms. Those are some nice big onions. Alright, I'm gonna go put these in. One, 2, 3, and 4. Bloomin' onions with these, man. Yep. You alright? Start taking it and loading it in. Alright guys, we'll catch you at the next one. Dumpster cats. There's some eggs. Yeah, there's stuff in here.
When did I rip that open here?
Is that us last night?
No, a lot of this shit
Well, they're probably only after retail then. I don't think we honestly need any more eggs, so that's the problem. And that was December 21st. Right here on top.
December 12th.
12th? That's even worse.
December 15th.
That's probably why they're all still in here. They held them. They didn't see them is probably what it was. Or they tried to get as much, yeah, they tried to get as much out of them as possible.
12.4.
Oh. That's just wrong, Dollar Tree. Anything else? That's been torn open. Yep. I'll meet you down there. Gives me a time to thank all 11 of our subscribers. We're up to 11, and we've only been, I think we put up our 8th video today, or well, last night, before we started our dive. So thank you guys so very, very much. It means a lot to us. These have already been ripped open. I bet you it was that one dude. Yeah, the one that was here last night. I bet you. Because we're late tonight. We're later than last night, but we have a lot more stuff. Alright guys, we'll see you at our Bath and Body. Bath and Body, even if you don't have nothing, we always check you. I can smell stuff. Now there's an apple. His calling card. Eating at a dumpster.
There's a candle box there.
Yep, there's a candle box back there. I hear it.
Mango something.
Mango Mai Tai. Oh, everyday diver, Ray. You would love that one. Oh my goodness, Ray. That one's a good one. Ray would love that one. He's tossling it. I see another more candle trays back there. And I just made fun of Ray tonight for dropping the phone, but he literally like dropped it. I just let go of it. Alright guys, we will catch you at the next one. This is the stuff from Dollar Tree. We got the 2 little froggies up there, the Jet Puff marshmallows, which there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 bags of them. The little necklaces. The crown does work. Dumpster cat took off with it. We got some Frozen 2 sandwich bags. That was not in with that. And we got the little bales. The little broken ring for wine bell. The little candle, that was all from Dollar Tree, along with our little, no, those, not those, those. We got a partial case of the powdered donuts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 boxes of those. And then this stuff is from our Dollar General. We got this pretty frame. Nothing's wrong with it. This frame still in the plastic wrap. And this frame, two of the 3 packs of the Everly 3 blades. This cute little cup mug. It'll go good with the marshmallows from Dollar Tree. We got some Lifebuoy hand wash. Washes away germs. We got some Airborne elderberry. Helps support immune system. Don't mind my dinner. That's some Aldi's flatbread artisan pizza that we got a previous dumpster score. But we got the 2 bags of Spearmint Delight mints. Those are my favorite. And I'm recording this wrong again. Sorry, guys. Gotta get into the habit of turning the camera. My bad. We got this pretty little Farm Fresh Christmas trees, cut and carry, fine spruce fir. The only thing wrong with it is that little chip right there. Little candle snuffer. Some earbuds, Bluetooth, cord, and then metal buds. Then we also got this pair of pajama bottoms, medium. A dumpster cat will be rocking out on this large shirt. And then we got these nice sweat pants, medium also. And then, if you remember our TJ Maxx, one second, let me get that up. And then from our TJ Maxx, we got the Luxury Comfort Pillow Top Mattress Pad. This is the pad that goes over it, that, you know, makes it the pillow top. King size. Compared to $58, it was $0. And actually it was. It didn't cost me a dime. And then we did get 1 candle. 1 candle from our Bed Bath & Beyond. It's a White Barn. It's a Mango Mai Tai. And it smells amazing. I really cannot wait to turn that into melts. Oh my god, I almost forgot one of the best finds in that Dollar General. Dumpster. Double zipper storage. 65 gallon bags. 65 storage bags. 65. Sorry. Yeah, I'm excited. If you guys remember our glass haul from Dollar Tree the one day, we turned them into candles from the Bed Bath & Beyond. These ones are kiwi. They smell amazing. This one, these ones, is a orange dreamsicle, and these ones actually came from TJ Maxx. So these candles are the soft, really, really tacky candles. Anybody who's taken a candle from TJ Maxx and the glass was broke knows what I'm talking about, how they feel. This was a Bed Bath & Beyond. It is a gardenia, very, very flowery smelling to it. And then this one here, we made melts out of the rest of this, and this was what I had left with, well, what Dumpster Cat had left with it. And this one is it's like a peppermint pumpkin spice. That's what it is. It's a pumpkin spice. And that one is amazing. The iced tea we got from, I believe, a CVS. I'm not sure which one, though. And then there's some, don't mind my floor. I got a bottle of honey down there. Guess it missed the trash can. There's some more of the seltzer water and the other water. Club soda. A box of pop cereal. And then some of the notebooks, a binder that we got from Dollar General. But now this is the one, this is the haul last night that we beat the ones. I believe they were one of the girls from the salon that went out of business, that tried to go and get the stuff that was thrown out. I have 12 bags of curlers. Hang on. Curlers, perm rods, all different sizes, brand new ones still in the bags. I mean, 8 of them. Then down here, oh, those are still more. Oh, and then those funky ones. Those ones that really, really hurt your head. Oh, look, with hair in it. Yeah, they all have to be sterilized still. I got colors for days. Now that I have all the activator that I've been waiting for. When I was in cosmetology, it was actually called developer. But now that I have all the activator and all the brushes and everything, now with all that color we scored on a previous score, in fact it was like one of the first ones. It was one of the first dumpsters that Dumpster brother and I, you know, my Dumpster Cat partner, actually hit. And we scored the very first box of a crap ton of hair color. There's some green in there that he's been wanting me to color his hair. And it's more like a teal color, but he wants me to, been wanting me to do it for like ever. And I haven't had the developer to do it. More of the stuff. Oh, there's some of the safety pins and bobby pins I've been looking for. I knew there was more. But, and these are all the towels. And the capes. All the capes. But yeah, so that's our score from last night. I'm going to try to attempt to do this more of the full reveal and maybe throw in some tidbits of other stuff that we've done, like these. We still have a crap ton of candles, so sorry. I'm going to actually be looking for molds so that I can do more melts. We gave away 6 bags of melts for Christmas presents. And they were the gardenia and the pumpkin spice variety. Now, we're not sure if these candles are going to actually be just for smell or if you can actually light them. These are the pretty thin Dollar Tree glasses. They didn't crack or bust or sizzle when we were putting in the hot wax. But as you see, none of them's burned yet. That's the next step, where we'll probably attempt to burn them later or tomorrow to give them another day to fully set. But let us know what you think about them. Alright, dumpster kittens. We'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.